Hey guys, this is James, and I guess for 2020 Easter, many of us will be spending time at home under voluntary quarantine because of the coronavirus that's been going around, and I guess there will be no Easter egg hunt to avoid contact with other people. So I scoured the internet and Thingiverse to see if there are any good models to print while at home under the self-voluntary quarantine, and I wanted to post this video so you guys have a chance to print these models and have them ready for Easter. This is like a gear Easter egg from Urban at Work from Thingiverse. So the larger pieces, the three of the pieces go on the top. And then you kind of want to orient this vertically to where it goes across. Wait, don't go in. Since the blue is here, I guess I'll put the blue in here. So there's a little bit of randomness. Alright, it is a little bit difficult to turn the gears by itself. So what I did, it doesn't really come with a stand. If you were to put it on the desk, it would just go limp. I think it's more fun just to spin the egg. The best way to turn the gears is actually use the bottom gear and turn the bottom gear and hold it like that on two opposite of the same color, and just turn the bottom gear. But I still find it a little bit difficult to do that. Also, if you're not too careful, you're going to actually pinch your fingers on the inside of the gears. So what I did was put another gear with a stand like this. So you can actually put it on your desk, and then also this makes it easier to turn the gear. Use the knob and just turn the gear this way. You still have to hold the two positions, two opposite gears, and then just turn the knob, which makes it easier to turn the gears. I think it takes a full 6 rotations to get into the egg configuration, like so. And then again, you can put it on the desk, flat on the desk, which prevents it from rolling around. So that's one thing that I added to this print. And then another design that I found that was interesting was this egg, wrapped egg by Bugman 140. And these actually separate into separate parts. I printed this at a 0.2mm resolution, and I only put a 10% infill, and then it is a little bit of a tight fit, and then if I'm not careful, I'm going to actually break the egg. Turn this and twist it apart. And then quite possibly get like a piece of candy or something inside. And all these grooves actually line up. And then you put the bow on top and the bottom. And you basically have an egg like this. these just take a lot of time to print. This actually took about maybe a day to print all 4 pieces. I wanted to get this video started and post it up because it is almost time for Easter, and if you guys do decide to print something, it's going to take maybe even a day, maybe a week. Share it in the comments below if you guys do have a very good cookie or brownie or whatever recipe in the comments below. As you can see, these are just cookie cutters in the shape of a rabbit. So these are the prints that I have so far, but I have many other models that quite possibly I will be printing. So share some of your ideas, leave a comment below and let me know if you have any good recipe for the cookie cutters. Let me know if there are any other good models to put in my Easter collection. Did the coronavirus ruin your Easter? Will you be doing the Easter egg hunt? Just let me know and share in the comments below what you will be doing. You can always like or dislike this video and subscribe to the channel. Till next time, thanks.